Reactions have continued to pour in following the recent Central Bank of Nigeria sanctions imposed on some Nigerian commercial banks over lingering issues related to the cashless policy. This is as many Nigerians have expressed frustration with what they perceive as inconsistent government policies and programs. Trustee Adamu Imam spoke to Bauchi residents about the issue and filed this report.
Commercial banks serve as intermediaries between their numerous customers and the CBN, facilitating secure and safe transactions for both individuals and businesses. However, Nigerians are increasingly unhappy with the inability to readily access their funds held in banks.
What they mean by enough cash may not really necessarily be enough at the banks. The population has increased, everything has increased, the demand for cash has increased. What was attainable at 5,000 naira in the last 2 years, with 20,000 now you cannot get it.
As the banks at times claim that they don't have enough funds, and the CBN is saying that they are giving the banks enough use of enough funds. So we have to find the balancing equation. So the two have to be identified. And my prayers is for CBN to all it could to continue to be providing the banks with enough funds so that the money will circulate.
I see no reason why somebody has his money in the bank. You go to the bank to withdraw, let me say 100,000 for instance, and you cannot. I was in the bank when somebody's in one of the banks, commercial banks, and they were telling me that he cannot withdraw more than 20,000. He was very angry. He told them that he has his wedding or something to go and attend, and they have to meet needs for guests and other things. How can he come with his money? So I don't know. I was told that it was a policy that was introduced for certain reasons. I don't know. For me personally, when you want to introduce policy, you should consider the plight on the citizen, and they should also do a lot of sensitization.
You can make a queue for more than an hour, but to tell you, sometimes your turn will come and then there will be no money in that ATM. You waste a lot of time, and at the end you have not gotten what you want. So most of the things, if you really want to satisfy your urgent need, you need to go to POS operators, point of sales. You only go there, you give them a token, then maybe it's a kind of business strategy that will allow other people to earn from that transaction, or I don't know. It sounds like that.
Some Nigerians believe the CBN's cashless policy aims at curbing inflation by reducing the circulation of physical currency is detrimental to the current economic situation. Adamu Imam, Trust TV News, Bauchi.